The first day of the jury trial is over for the man accused of killing his girlfriend in Prince George's County last year. You might remember this case here. Harry Lindsey is accused of shooting and killing 29-year-old Sharita Cristwell last summer. It is a story our Alexis Wainwright has been following from the very beginning. She joins us live tonight outside the courthouse in Upper Marlboro. So Alexis, update us. What happened today?
Well, Lorenzo, a lot happened here behind me inside the courthouse, but I can tell you that this man is accused of killing his ex-girlfriend after he was allegedly arrested for assaulting her just 3 weeks prior to that fatal shooting. Now, this story has had a huge emotional toll on her family, but also we have seen the impact on the community over the past several months. Harry Lindsey is now on trial for murder and the death of his ex-girlfriend, Sharita Cristwell. Police say he shot and killed Cristwell over the 4th of July weekend last year. The two have been in a relationship for about 10 years and have 2 young children together. In court today, proceedings got off to a bit of a late start. Lindsey initially came in with notes, prepared to ask for new legal representation, but ultimately decided to stick with his assigned public defender. A jury has now been selected, made up mostly of men. Shortly after, we listened as prosecutors asked the judge to allow evidence from a previous case allegedly involving the two, a case that is still pending. During that request, we saw body camera video and heard from 2 Bladensburg police officers who responded to a domestic violence call at the home the two shared. That call was made 3 weeks before Sharita Cristwell was shot. We saw pictures of injuries Cristwell had on her body and marks around her neck. Prince George's County prosecutors charged Lindsey with 1st and 2nd degree assault in this case. But Cristwell was killed before the case ever made it to trial. Prosecutors argue that this evidence is important to show motive and that this is not an isolated incident. The judge agreed and ruled that the evidence will be allowed. And 2 other things to note inside the courtroom today. We saw Cristwell's mother in the courtroom. She also showing a lot of emotion as we saw the proceedings unfold in this case. We also saw not much emotion from Lindsey, but him actively taking notes throughout the afternoon. Now, the trial is expected to pick back up tomorrow morning. We will be here for that and update you as we learn more. But for now, reporting live outside the Prince George's County Courthouse, Alexis Wainwright. Lorenzo, will send it back to you.
Yeah, such an awful case, and this is only the beginning. Alexis, thank you.